Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to add a black screen in Filmora. If you are editing your videos and want a black background to your video, this video is for you. So let's dive in. First, open the Filmora on your mobile device and select the video where you want to add the black screen in. After you selected the video, you will see many options on the bottom of your screen. Simply swipe until you see an option called background. Then go ahead and tap on it. There are two ways to add a black screen in Filmora. The first is to go and select a black color from the color section. And the second is to import it from the gallery by tapping on the plus icon in the style section. And that's it. Now you guys know how to add black screen in Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.